hello everyone, welcome to the another video. So in this video I will be unboxing the swags that I received from the GirlScript Summer of Code. So in the month of February I was selected for being a mentor in the GirlScript Summer of Code. There I was responsible for providing the mentorship to the participants who were contributing to the open source. I was one of the mentors that was selected in their program, and today I have received the swags from them. Alright, so this is the package that I received. Let's do the unboxing of this. So let's cut it first and then see what we have. So let's cut it first and see what we have got inside. Alright, so these are the items. Let's take it out one by one. Okay, so this is the first thing, I think. Yeah, this is a t-shirt and another thing we have. So nothing inside. Okay, the first thing that I received is this. So this is the refrigerator magnet. So it has written girlscript.tech, and yeah, it is very good. Then the another thing that I received is this t-shirt. So this is the t-shirt that I received. So here in the front it has written like time to build, and in the below it has written Girlscript Foundation. So I received this t-shirt. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the unboxing video of these swags. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this, and do share it with your friends and comment it down any thoughts you have. So yeah, thank you very much.